So my Onion Omega starter kit has appeared in the post, and I thought it would be vaguely interesting to open it or unbox it on video. So most of this I'm going to do on the overhead video because it's going to be very difficult holding the camera at the same time. The interesting bits I will get out my normal camera. So very well packed. Well, it looks. I've got an expansion dock. We need a relay expansion, an Ethernet expansion, another Ethernet expansion. So I ordered the $119 on Kickstarter starter kit. OLED expansion, another OLED expansion, a mini dock, another mini dock. To be honest, I actually can't remember what most of these things do. It's so long ago that I pledged. It's the only thing I've ever pledged on Kickstarter. I'm actually glad that it really exists in the world. An Omega and another Omega. So we've got two of the devices themselves, two mini docks, a relay expansion, two OLED expansions, two Ethernet expansions, and another relay expansion. And then one of the larger expansion docks. So which shall I open first? Let's do the Omega. There's an interesting printing going on here. We've got the box, which isn't glued together very well, and then down inside where the box is glued together, it's got their website, onion.io/getstarted, but it's a bit strange. That's exactly why I'm using the other camera. I was using small hands to try and open this stuff as possible. So, there we go. That is an Omega. Tiny components. In fact, you can see the wireless aerial there at the top. Right, so let me move one set of these out of the way and see what else there is. So, some of the rubbish as well. Mini dock. There's no documentation at all, or even a packing slip or anything with this, which is a bit strange. It's just all the stuff in a box. Never mind. Right, I've put those two together. So I presume I can now power that up. We'll have to see. I didn't even think when I ordered it that it doesn't even come with the USB lead to power it. So what's next? We want some kind of connectivity. I'm not keen on wireless, so let's try the Ethernet expansion. Very nice. Uh-oh. See, now I'm confused. Probably should have read the manual. Expect, that's not what this expansion dock is for. Yes, that looks very much like it. So the onion. Yes, I need to read the instructions on how to do this, because squished together like it is, there's no way that that is going to plug into the dock. But good news is the Ethernet can and will plug into that dock. Oh, and it already has the power, so that's where I am getting confused. So I can use one of the big docks, so this big dock with one of the onions, and the mini dock with the other onion, just like that. And I just can't use Ethernet or some of the larger or other expansions with the one that's the mini one. It's unusual build quality on the Ethernet. It looks like they've sawn the corner off, or the edge off of a I don't know what you call these blocks, but these pin receptors. So unlike the one below it, the actual main dock, which has got a nice plastic edge, this other one's got a very rough edge. Anyway, we've got two more things, a relay expansion and an OLED expansion. So there's the relay expansion, which looks very much like I'd expect. Don't know what the jumpers on it do, but or the dip switches, I have to see. But we've got two terminals, or four pins, two terminals in and out. And yes, that can just sit also on the dock. I want it to do. And the final thing, the OLED expansion. Which is just a very small screen with a ribbon cable going over the top to the other side to some components. And there we go. It can sit on the tower of expansion components, but I'm not going to use it right yet. So I'll dismantle that and detach that, and actually read their documentation and see how you're supposed to use it. But if it proves interesting, I will post further videos on it. But that is me unpacking my Omega Onion, I guess is an IoT device, an Internet of Things device, which I paid for quite some time ago on Kickstarter, and I'm very glad to have received it.